back, guys. KKC Productions here, and I'm here because I have a video that I forgot to post. It has been a long time no see, and we're going to go over this dash camera. This is the 70Me dash camera. I actually had some footage back from a year or two ago, and I'm going to go ahead and play some of that footage, and also some dash cam that I have from some accidents that I also have as well. We'll go ahead and turn over to that, and hope you guys enjoy. Oh, and also, I had a different car than the Mustang, so if you see the video of the Mustang first, and then you look at the dash cam, it is a Miata RF that I got. So I ended up changing cars, and now I have a Kia Stinger, so more videos to come on that. Alright, enjoy. So here is the 70Me dash camera here, and you can see I got the wire hidden really nice up through the top here, ran it all the way down through the column and down here into my port, so that's kind of hidden there. We can see here that I have the little piece that came with it in the kit. It's really nice. It's very small compared to another dash cam that I had. I can actually show you in my compartment here. This one's very large, so comparing it to this one, it's very nice. And of course it powers here, and you still have another option to plug in something else, so that's really nice. So here we can see that there's not the Bluetooth, but the GPS module is on this device. When it's powered on, you can see that here it is going to show a little green light. We should be able to say screen on, or if you have the right key command, it will actually turn the screen on. Take picture.
Photo taken.
Start recording. It's already recording. So there's a few things that you can do. Screen off. So once we learn the key functions, that will work a lot better. But anyway, you can change, even you don't have to say anything to use this. You could still use all the buttons on here, physical buttons. So it says recording starts. And see if you want to stop, you can click it. Recording has been closed. You can go into your emergency.
Start recording emergency video.
So it'll start recording the emergency video, so you can still enact this by hand if you wanted to. This is a button on the bottom that will turn it on and off the screen, so you don't have to say any of the key commands to get that to work.
Detected for the vehicle ahead.
There are some features whenever you use the GPS module. The features on here, it will actually have a feature to tell you that the car in front of you is moving if your car is stopped.
Recording complete.
So it's kind of cool that this you can't usually find a camera that'll have some features in here. So let's say I am, once this is fully calibrated, if you cross over a line in the middle or the side of the car, it will actually realize that you're going over the line and say lane departure. So it has some features in here to let you know that you're actually, your vehicle is moving away from the lines. Some other feature it had with the GPS module is, of course, when the car is moving ahead of you, or if you're getting too close to a car, it will actually warn you that the car is getting too close to a car. Here you can go into the gallery. Once you go into the gallery, it stops recording, so you can go to normal, emergency, or photos. You can see that the thing is blue now. Green lets you know it's recording again. So if I come into here, you have your hotspot. You can connect your phone onto this, so you can see the stuff through there. You change some of the settings. One of the better features you can go into is actually the advanced settings, and you can actually go in to change your video quality, but also the surveillance. ADS is going to be the option for enabling the GPS. So once that's fully enabled and calibrated, you just move the adjustment here for the video, then that's set. That's really it. It's got some basic features, but it is very advanced for what it does. It should show you the date and time. Some people say you can get the speed, so I guess we'll go ahead and take a look at that and see how all that works, and show you some of the footage and the high quality of this camera. This is one of the newer sensors in here from Sony, so let's go ahead and take a look and see what she looks like. Alright guys, thanks for watching those few clips that I put in there. So far this camera has been really good. So many features in here, and it almost sounds like it's talking to you. You can remove the SD card and it'll say all its little commands, and the functions on here are really good, and they keep updated. There are some updates that go in there, so it shows you your longitude and latitude of where it's recording, and also the speed as well. So there are some nice updates that come along with this camera. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will be coming out with hopefully some more content of my car. That's number one. A lot of things going on with that. And also I need to make a home theater video for my parents' house, because I no longer have the projector. So if you guys are watching, and stay tuned to my channel, I need to show you guys what we ended up using with my projector for the loft area of their house, which turns into like a mini theater there now. Alright guys, stay tuned. Thank you guys again for staying on my channel, and I look forward to getting you more content soon. Thank you guys. Bye.